This is the Windsor design workbench with 3 drawers. Hardwood, weighs about 120 pounds, 60 by 21 by 34 inches. The weight capacity for the actual workbench is about 250 pounds on top. It also has 3 drawers. All of them are felt lined for protection against your tools and stuff. Also, each drawer can hold about 25 pounds. And there's a larger drawer underneath. All this nice felt lined material. And there is a bottom shelf also for larger items. This wood has a lacquer finish for protection. This workbench fits perfectly on our shed and has been very useful.